Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something truly special to share with you. We recently came across an intriguing coin, a 1981 P dime, and we'll be diving into its history and value. So let's get started. The 1981 P dime holds a significant place in numismatic history. Minted at the Philadelphia Mint, it carries the P mint mark, making it distinguishable from other dimes of the same year. While the face value of this coin is just 10 cents, its rarity and demand among collectors have caused its value to soar. Now, it's important to note that the value of any collectible item can vary based on factors like condition, rarity, and demand. A coin in pristine condition will naturally fetch a higher price than one with wear and tear. Additionally, coins with unique characteristics or varieties often command a premium. Let's take a look at a recent example. In an auction held last month, a 1981 P dime in exceptional condition sold for a staggering $5,000. The coin exhibited sharp details, a lustrous finish, and no signs of wear or damage. Its pristine condition made it highly desirable to collectors, and the price reflects that demand. However, it's essential to remember that not all 1981 P dimes will reach such high values. Coins that have circulated and show signs of wear may have a more modest value, typically closer to their face value. Nevertheless, the allure of numismatic treasures lies in the possibility of discovering a rare gem hidden among common coins. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting coin-related content.